Here we will introduce the ID Bridge standard for logistics management operations. RFID is an IoT solution that contributes to optimizing logistics management operations. Do you have any of the following thoughts about installing RFID? I don't know if it will really be effective. It probably requires a big investment. I'm not sure if we could use it in our operations or work processes. Murata Manufacturing provides an RFID solution service for customers who are considering installing an RFID system. The RFID solution service we provide doesn't just come with ID Bridge standard software and RFID device hardware. We provide a one-stop service that also includes a preliminary interview to ascertain a sense of the issues you face and your cost expectations, an on-site demonstration experiment, and after-sales services once installation has been completed. This is the structure of ID Bridge standard. Our ID Bridge middleware collectively controls the printers, readers, writers, and other RFID devices in ID Bridge standard. You can then use the ID Bridge user application or mobile to improve your actual operations. You can also connect ID Bridge standard to your core system by adding an interface. These are the benefits of ID Bridge standard. 1. Provides a one-stop service. We support you with a preliminary interview to ascertain a sense of the issues you face and your cost expectations, on-site verification before installation, installation design, and on-site education in addition to provision of software and hardware. 2. Install with reduced development costs. Install the optimal RFID with Murata's extensive RFID product lineup and our accumulated know-how. In addition, we have designed the software so that certain customizations can be made with just the settings. Accordingly, it is possible to install with reduced development costs. 3. Short period of time until installation. Murata provides a one-stop service to support the pre-installation process. Therefore, you can install ID Bridge standard more quickly than if you were to verify and install each part individually. Our staff will support you with this flow when you are considering using ID Bridge standard. First, please feel free to contact us. Our dedicated RFID staff will respond to your questions and concerns. Thank you for watching.